So I'm going to talk about my Tretinoin journey in this video. So basically, as you see, I have not a bit of makeup or any kind of cream or oil on my face. I just wash my face, and as you see, it's super glowy. That's because I have increased the strength of my tretinoin. I used to use the 0.025% of tretinoin. Now I've increased the strength to 0.050 of there are only three strengths. That's the 0.025, the 0.050, and the 0.1. So this is the medium strength I have started using. Since I've already known and I have experience of how this thing works, I'm able to avoid the peeling and looking like the aggressive peeling of the skin, the dryness. Yes, I do have dryness, and as you see, it's extremely shiny and glossy. My skin feels a lot more like it should be at this age. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you what I use and how I use my tretinoin, because I quite it's a long process. I've been using tretinoins ever since my college time, because my college time I did not know what I was using and I did not know what tretinoin was. But now that I've known and I've understood about products that I need to use, and my dermatologist recommended that way back to me, now my skin has tolerated the minimal strength really well, and I want to up the game, because that is what the next level of thing I can do to my skin. So I'm gonna explain in this video, but there's a disclaimer here. This tretinoin was recommended by my dermatologist, and I went ahead and asked him, can I move up? And also I have been told how I'm supposed to use and how this works on my skin. So basically, do not use this tretinoin on your own, otherwise you will be in trouble, because it's very brutal to your skin. Also, make sure you use sunscreen without fail, because if you do not use sunscreen while you use the tretinoin, the purpose is failed here, because you're doing something to fix the damage and you're not protecting yourself from further damage. So it's gonna be like a zero process, like you keep doing something and you're not protecting it from getting damaged. It's no use using the tretinoin. So basically, make sure you always use sunscreen without fail. So I am religiously doing it. So let's move on to the video. So basically, for me, I felt gel works better, and also it is actually more penetrated into the skin, whereas cream is much more milder and it's very gentle. But the strength wise, the effect and the result wise, I like the gel better. The cream is not for me. Maybe it is for someone who's very sensitive and who wants to start like lightly, but I am really aggressive and I wanted to go with gel, because my dermatologist, even when I was in college, he recommended gel for me, so I am sticking with gel. I have moved up to the 0.050, so this is double the strength. Basically, this is also a gel, but it is not the transparent gel. It's kind of a whitish gel kind of thing. I just take this much and just apply it. And then move on with a moisturizer. That is very important. This step is important. So basically, what I used to do earlier is I would hate the feeling of the moisturizer on my face. So even if my dermatologist recommended a moisturizer, I would not use it, and my skin would be so dry and peeling, and it would be so stretchy for me. It was horrible. But then I realized my skin needs to tolerate these things, so it needs the strength to tolerate. So basically, our skin is made up of various layers. So the layer which is a skin barrier is made up of fats, ceramides, and all kind of cholesterol and all those things. So if that gets eliminated as we age, so we need to build that up on skin, and we need to support it from external and internal. So I am going to use a moisturizer on top of this. Any moisturizer would do, but something that really saved me from the extreme peeling and extremely drying and Ilion ceramide moisturizer. This is a moisturizer which has ceramide skin complex and all kinds of fats and cholesterols and everything. Also, it is like a baby safe formula, so something that was very gentle on my skin, yet it helped me really hydrate. There are a lot of ceramides in the market, but this one is from South Korea. I really am obsessed with South Korean skincare. So for me, this one, what it stood out was, so the ceramides are in capsule form, like mini tiny beads in the cream. So once you start applying, the capsules just break into your skin and it just melts onto your skin. So it's basically, the ceramides are kept really fresh and it gets melted into your skin. This cream looks a lot thicker, like it extremely looks thick. It's super hard to take it out even. It's extremely thick, like a toothpaste. It's not moving, it's just so thick. But once you blend it into your skin, it's super nice and it just gets melted into your skin. You won't even know you applied a moisturizer on. So it melts. And also, if up close, if I can show you, the cream has those white beads. Where it melts down once your skin gets in contact with it. I need a little bit of extra hydration. I'm gonna use my Estee Lauder eye cream. So this is my only nighttime. This has been my nighttime routine for almost like a month now. For my nighttime lip balm, I'm using my Laneige lip balm in the flavor Gummy Bear. It's quite nice. Any flavor from this is nice. Laneige has got the best-selling lip sleeping mask. Okay, I'm ready to bed. Meet you on another one. Bye, guys.